The following is a quick reference guide for programming MCU, XBRB8, XB4IO relay events on a Proteus controller. These should be performed by an authorized technician. Use the proper login procedure to access the setup menu, page 1. Please note, screen images may vary based on the Proteus generation version. Press the down arrow to get to page 2. Press the Interface Board Relays button to select which relay board option you need to program. Programming of relay events of the MCU, XBRB8, XB4IO are created or edited in the same manner. For this quick tip video, we will use the MCU events relay email selection. Relay events are used for either the light horn function of an RAS remote annunciator or for pump controls. To ensure the event will function correctly, the proper relay function should be set. Press the Program Relay Input Modes button. The new generation MCU has the option of 5 relay events. XBRB8 has 8 relays, and the XB4IO has 4. Relays can be set to light, horn, relay, or disable mode. Light and horn functions are used for remote annunciators, while relay mode is for pump controllers. A description of the different modes is displayed on the screen. Pressing the appropriate change mode buttons will toggle through the 4 options. Please note that input modes are covered in another quick tip video. Pressing the Save Relay Modes Changes button will return to the relay events screen. Press the Program Events button to access the currently programmed events and/or the empty events list. This quick tip video will focus on programming an empty event. Once programmed, editing an event may only require minor changes. Events do not have to be programmed in the order of a tank or sensor number and can be skipped, so it would be a good idea to skim the event list so duplicates are not created. Press on an empty event to get to the programming screen. The white field at the top of the screen will display information once each option is programmed. Use the Select Event Type drop-down arrow to select an item to be used for this event. An example is tank. Once the event type is selected, the first available item in that category is automatically populated in the S/tank field, as well as the first event option for that type. An example, tank number 1, max height alarm. Press the next tank number button to increment through the available tanks. Use the Select Event drop-down arrow to select the desired alarm event to be used for this event. An example, high product alarm. Once the event is selected, it is populated in the event type field. Selecting which relay will operate is accomplished by clicking on the desired relay so that an X appears in the box. Please note, you may need to select multiple relays based on which function they are programmed for. Email selection is covered on another quick tip video. Events are enabled disabled if the event is for an item under maintenance, so it doesn't activate a relay. The event can be deleted if no longer needed. You must press the Save Event button to retain these settings, and you are prompted to do so. Press the Setup button to return to the Setup menu, page 2. Press the Home button to save parameters and exit setup. This completes the programming of relay events.